small as a hotelier, progressed into construction, and in 2010 started his political career with the Saligaon constituency election as a Zilla Panchayat member. In 2012, the BJP made him the bloc president of their Kalangut wing, and in 2012 he emerged victorious as MLA in the assembly elections at the age of 36. As the MLA of the Kalangut constituency, he saw that his constituency developed at a rapid rate. Due to his efforts, Goa saw the first garbage treatment plant in Asia to be based on a German technology. His service to the community has been widely acknowledged, and he has been recognized as a youth icon, which won him the prestigious Adarsh Yuva Vidyayak Puraskar Award. This award was conferred on him by the Indian Students' Parliament at Pune in 2016. He was recently honored by the Gulab magazine for his performance in the social and political field. In 2017, he once again won the hearts of his people and got elected with a thumping majority to the Kalangut constituency. He was appointed as chairman of North Goa Planning and Development Authority. He has held the post of Deputy Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly. Currently, Shri Michael Lobo is the Minister of Ports, RDA, Science and Technology and Waste Management, Government of Goa. He is supported by his wife, Mrs. Dalila, who is the Sarpanch of the village Panchayat of Parra and blessed with 2 beautiful children. We welcome you, sir, with a big round of applause. As a token of our love and appreciation, I request Maria to come up with a token of appreciation. Reverend Father Principal will present a token of our love to our guest, Shri Michael Lobo. Shri Lakshman Sangarkar was our chief guest this morning for our Jubilee Sports Festival. We welcome you once again, sir. Not mentioning our PTA Vice President, not forgetting to mention our PTA Vice President, Mrs. Cynthia Costa Fernandez, who is a backbone to our higher secondary, constantly supporting, encouraging, helping and assisting us in all the little ways that she can. Thank you, ma'am. I request, sir, Shri Michael Lobo to please say a few words.
"25 years of this institution, and this sale which is taking place today, organized by Don Bosco, a platform for the youth and also for Goans. Whoever is a good artist, whoever stitches good clothes or any other item, you can see plants over here, specially potted, some items made in Goa. Present for this occasion, Father Savio, the principal of this, the biggest institution in Panjim, and all the teachers and all you students and well-wishers. I'm very happy to be here, to be part of this great initiative by Don Bosco, a platform for our youth, and all the, especially who want to stand on their own feet, our entrepreneurs, Goan entrepreneurs, a good platform which is given by this institution. They can bring their items here which are made in their house and sell. I think these unique concepts are very much required, not only here in Panjim, but other places also like Margaon, Kalangut, Mapsa, and other places, so that our youth and our elders, whoever makes their own products in their house, they can get a good platform to sell it. And we have to encourage our Goans to do something on their own, because so many students are over here, they will pass out, but they don't know whether they will, some of them will look out for government jobs, but I don't think so, that everybody can get a government job. I think the whole students who pass out over here in this institute, hardly 1% may get government jobs. So we have to think out of the box, we have to think that we will do something on our own, something, stand on your own feet, be an entrepreneur, be a businessman like how I am over here in front of you. And I think we can take challenges, we have to take challenges for this. We have to take risks also. Without risk, you cannot get what you are aiming for. The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams, and I want to tell all the students who are here, you dream big, and if you dream big, you got to work hard to achieve those dreams. And definitely all your dreams, whatever is there in your mind, will come true. We are there to support you, to take the step, one step forward towards your dream. We are there to support you for that. I wish all the students who are over here all the best, and all the self-made businessmen who are over here, entrepreneur, all the best to sell your products. And I wish that many more sales like this takes up in Goa, not only in Panjim but other places, so that you can showcase your things, whatever you make, and sell them on the right platform. Thank you for inviting me.
I now request Father Principal to say a few words.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome our chief guest for the Jubilee pop-up sale, Shri Michael Lobo. Mr. Michael Lobo has come from the ranks, so he is a thoroughbred Goenka. He has the good of Goa and Goans in mind. Besides that, he is a very close and dear friend of Don Bosco's and has helped all our Don Bosco institutions in many, many ways which you will not even imagine. So we are extremely grateful to Sir for having taken the time out and come to inaugurate this pop-up sale. Sir was also the guest of honor at our Jubilee Cultural Program, but due to his sudden ill health, he could not make it. We are very grateful to you, sir, for all that you have been doing for us. We know you are going to help us even in the future. We know you are going to give us some computers for our computer lab. I know that is already there. These are not secrets. And we would like to say that we, Don Bosco's, will always be with you. And we will pray to God that Don Bosco sends all blessings and graces upon you today and always, so that you have a bright political career on the Goan firmament. Thank you, sir. This is the last event of our Jubilee celebrations. Our teachers, the students have worked very, very hard. The PTA has been a constant source of strength and support to us. But I would like to just highlight one person who has been, if you want to call it, the backbone of all these events. Thoroughly involved in every activity, thoroughly involved in the fundraising, thoroughly involved in contacting people. And that is none other than our very dynamic PTA Vice President, Mrs. Cynthia Costa Fernandez. Let's put our hands together for her. Most of this would not have happened without her support. So thank you very much, Cynthia, on behalf of all of us. Students, also remember that we are having 2 events going on simultaneously. The Jubilee Sports Festival is going on the grounds, and this event over here, the pop-up sale. This will remain for 2 days, today and tomorrow, 9:30 to 7:30. But that sports festival is only till 1:30. So make sure you're alert, and when it's time for your team to play, you go out there. Otherwise, you will forfeit your chance, and your team will lose due to the walkover. So keep somebody to follow up what is going on the ground. Thank you very much. Enjoy yourselves.
Thank you, Father.